Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
Then I'm the only one who knows how smart you really are.
You paid attention. You listened to him. You remembered.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls. No one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Lydia!
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
Lydia?
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Can't be that. Lydia, please shut up and let me shave your leg. Okay, gotta try and stay on your feet. Lydia!
Styles.
Bad.
Could have been worse.
Lydia!
Come on.
Come on, listen to me, Lydia. Just open your eyes, okay? You have to open your eyes.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.